Ladies Chica, more than just professional advice. Bel Mariano credited Donnie Pangilinan for helping her overcome self-doubt and embrace her strength as an actress. Saad ni Belle, sobrang nakatulong talaga si Donnie sa confidence ko kasi minsan feeling ko pa rin kasi na baguhan ako. Ewan ko, parang in my head lang. Pero he always reminds me na maganda yung work at kung ano yung kaya kong gawin. He also reminds me to not be afraid to be seen.